the good, the bad, and the ugly of Kuza Asset Management. This is what you need to know before you consider putting your money in Kuza Asset Management. Let us break it down by starting with the good. But before we do, hello TMG Circle, hope you're doing well. JC is my name, and in today's episode, we are going to deep dive into Kuza Asset Management. We have partnered with them, and you can use the link in the description down below to join or register. You just need to register with 1,000, and the top up is from a minimum of 100. By using the link, you're not going to be charged any extra. So consider the link as your way to starting your saving journey. If you have been saving in your piggy bank, this is your time to move your money from here to Kuza because you need your money to grow. Let's get to the video. The good. The returns are consistent and they're quite competitive in the market, being that there is a lot of fluctuations here and there. I must say they're trying their best. If you check their track record, they have tried to keep to the top 10, as you will see if you decide to choose the option of putting your funds or your savings in a money market at Kuza. You need to, of course, do your research first before you get there. But I'm just going to give you an idea. I'm just going to give you a highlight of my personal feel about this money market. Then you do your research before you get into it. Interest accrues daily, just like any other money market, and it is paid out monthly. It's easy to get in. You just register, pay 1,000, and you can continue topping up with a minimum of 100. Easy peasy. Those of you with 100 shillings, do not say you don't have anywhere to save. You can quickly be able to withdraw, typically within 48 hours. And this product is ideal for emergency fund, short-term goals. Basically that a money market fund is not an investment, so don't think long-term. Kuza is regulated by the Capital Markets Authority, so your money is basically safe. Before we get to the bad, I would like to highlight a few things about Kuza. The trustee of Kuza is the Cooperative Bank of Kenya. The fund manager, of course, is Kuza Asset Management, and the custodian is KCB Bank. So you can see they're working with reputable organizations to ensure that your money is safe. Okay, the bad. Of course, as any other money market fund, there's no instant access. Withdrawals cannot be real time because they want you to make sure that you really want to withdraw before you can withdraw, which may feel slow for people. But if you know why we are saving, you know we are not saving to withdraw tomorrow. We are saving, like for our 30-week saving challenge, we are saving between now and 28th December, which means you will only withdraw after 28th of December, So, I mean, you should know that any money market is for savings, for a short-term goal, or your emergency fund mainly. The second bad is that the returns are not guaranteed because they're dependent on the economy, so they keep going up and down based on the market forces. Of course, the digital experience cuts across. In case of any delays or even you having challenges with your network wherever you are, it can affect your experience with Kuza Asset Management. The ugly, again, what no one tells you about. Some people treat money markets as long-term investments. They are not. They are only meant for short-term goals or to build your emergency fund. Period. You cannot say I've invested in money market and think that you're going to enjoy financial freedom. That will never happen. So you need to have that in mind even as you open a money market fund. You still need a plan. Putting your money on Kuza will not perform a miracle. So you need a plan for your saving goals and discipline. Otherwise, you will end up saving and just spending with no growth because you don't have a plan, with no financial progress, with nothing. So why am I saying this? It's because if you have built your emergency fund, now you will be able to invest. But before you have an emergency fund, investment is a story for you. By the way, let me amuse you. When you create a stable emergency fund, you are now ready to invest because you know you have something you can hold on to in case an emergency comes up. You're not going to start borrowing, you start going for your investments before they can hatch. You know, investments are like eggs, so they need time to hatch. So if you do not have an emergency fund, you're going to dig into your investments before you actually invest. If you're looking for a safe, flexible growth without having a huge appetite for returns, of course, the money market is the product for you. And Kuza Asset Management is a solid pick for you. Let me know in the comment section whether you're already having a product with Kuza or you would consider. If you consider joining them, you can pick the link from my description box and you can be able to follow. By using the link, you're not going to be charged. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on the next one. Bye.